Solar insect screens cut fly entry and lower indoor heat at the same time. Install external solar insect screens on windows and patio doors to stop most insects and reduce solar gain. Measure the opening accurately and add a small overlap of 1/4 inch on each side for mounting brackets so the frame sits tight against the wall. Use a fine woven polyester or fiberglass mesh with at least 200 holes per square inch for effective mosquito exclusion while maintaining airflow. For seasonal use, fit magnetic, removable screens with a rigid perimeter frame so you can take them down and store them without tools. Ensure the magnets are continuous and compress gently against the frame to eliminate gaps. Keep tension consistent across the mesh by using adjustable corner clips or tensioning strips to prevent sagging that creates entry points for small flies. When cutting mesh trim with heavy-duty scissors or a utility knife seal, cut edges with a low-temperature seam adhesive or heat sealer designed for synthetic screen material to stop fraying and extend life. Common mistakes include installing a screen frame too small so it leaves gaps at the bottom and sides, which you fix by remeasuring and adding a deliberate overlap before cutting and by using compressible gasket or brush seals on the frame. Another issue is choosing overly coarse mesh that reduces insect blocking ability. Choose a finer mesh grade for mosquitoes while keeping material breathability in mind, and replace any screen with visible breaks. A third problem is poor long-term maintenance, where dirt and pollen accumulate and reduce light and airflow. Clean screens gently with a soft brush and mild soapy water every 3 months, and inspect fasteners and magnets, so tension and sealing remain effective. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share practical project details about solar insect screen options. We host a discussion community where our members exchange installation tips and product experiences so contractors and homeowners can find each other and work together.